Jello World.
You know who made it.
It's a G's World type shit. Got a problem with this world. People want it uncovered, skin is unsevered. By mistake you shoot it in, hitting every target. Now she pregnant, bystander, nigga trying to run from it. Got a problem with this world. People want it uncovered, skin is unsevered. By mistake you shoot it in, hitting every target. Now she pregnant, bystander, nigga trying to run from it. Ever heard a rapper saving life? Pick your chances, roll the dice. Ain't no turning back, you better pay the price. Wanna live long, it's best to put me on. Ain't no doubt about it, she could get crazy like it's Donkey Kong. I got it all, wanna last long, got your back. Wanna stay safe, got your back. All night we running tracks, yeah, roll one, ain't no track stars. Take me off your risk of life if it ain't wifey. Got a problem with this world. People want it uncovered, skin is unsevered. Got a problem with this world. People want it uncovered, skin is unsevered. By mistake you shoot it in, hitting every target. Now she pregnant, bystander, nigga trying to run from it.
always with the phone. What's wrong with you?
Charlie, it be better I won't say to Chelsea and Barcelona. They get some match 4 o'clock. So I set the bets. I go blue sharp.
Whilst I'm always talking about how to move life, how to get married, and you are always fidgeting with your phone. Betting.
You want to get married?
Yes.
Why are you? You're funny.
Oh, whoa.
You are thinking about marriage at this stage?
Of course.
You are funny.
Yes. And that reminds me. You see, I told you I just got from the mall, right?
Yeah, you went there this morning.
Yeah. And I met this beautiful and awesome lady. So you see, I just go closer to her and we had a conversation. I took her number, I proposed to her, and she accepted my proposal.
Wait. First, you say you were thinking about settling down, getting married and stuff.
Yeah.
And the lady talking about here is a girl you met at the mall today.
Exactly.
And that dinner, you started exchanging contact and she agreed to marry you. Just like that. Are you serious?
Oh yes.
Wait, you guys, you knew yourself already?
Hell no. I just met her at the mall.
Hey, that was Paulo.
No. You see,
she's beautiful.
Yeah, when two souls meet, right? We tally, everything works perfect. So I didn't talk that much. She accepted my proposal and everything is gonna be okay.
Are you serious or?
Yes, I'm serious.
Hey, then I think you need to see a doctor.
A doctor for what?
If you are serious, then I think you need to see a doctor because I think someone has hijacked the password to your brain. You know they talk well. You know they use your brain well. How can you meet a girl today and you say you want to get married to her? Are you serious?
Dan.
Yeah.
Are you trying to insult me? No.
My party not be insult too, but from the look of things, you met a girl today.
Listen, let me tell you what. I told you, right? I just met this lady. And I love her and she loves me back.
That's got into love.
Of course, yes.
My guy, this way we did talk about the Charlie.
Bro.
I like seriously.
Oh yes, I mean it. I just want to get married
to her.
Yes, and settle down. She's Sandra.
That's her name.
That's the name.
I think you did joke.
Oh.
Why you mention the name? I think say you.
Charlie.
You said you grow. If you get married, that's you grow.
Ferris in love with Sandra, so it's F and X.
F and X. Pasco. Oh, that's good.
What? How can you marry a guy you just met at the mall? Were you having a secret affair? Vanilla, I told you I just met this guy at the mall today. What about your boyfriend? I don't get it. What do you mean? Don't be dumb, girl. Are you going to break up with Omara because of the guy you met at the mall? Really? Vanilla, let me tell you something. I've been with this guy for a whole 2 good years. And this guy don't think of getting married to me. What do you want me to do? At least this guy wants to get married to me and he's taking me to his family.
Oh my god. Please help my friend.
Really? And you see,
God.
I'm done with him. I'm done.
Oh my god, please help my friend. Please help my friend.
Felix, I still can't believe that you still want to carry on with this marriage issue. Huh?
You know, I don't take 2 decisions at a time. I always take 1 decision and that's it. I told you I just want to get married to this lady and that's all. And stop everything. We all growing.
I know you are growing and you are desperate to want to marry. But this girl you are talking about, you met her once. Yes. See, as a brother from another mother, I want to give you one of the advice my father gave to me. He said, son, think twice. My brother, the girl, you met her once. Oh. And you are desperate to get married to her. What's up?
Yeah, I
Okay.
really understand.
I can't stop your decisions, but I don't want you to make mistakes. Marriage is a long way to go. So why don't you invite her over for dinner? There you see if she can take away your hunger.
Yes, that's a good point. But you know, you see, when as we are inviting her, you see, I think I will advise we invite your girlfriend, you know, to come and, you know.
Why you want to date my girlfriend? If my girlfriend will you want to date, well, what's up?
I mean, let your girlfriend come and cook for us.
Oh,
You know,
you want my girlfriend to come and do the cooking?
exactly.
Definitely. When do you want her to come? When do you want Sandra to, your girlfriend to come in for the dinner?
I think this week is.
I'm ready.
You are going?
Yes, I'm going. I need to meet my friends, I told you.
I know. Come. Come, let me have a little word with you. 1 minute. I won't take much of your time. Come here. Come here. What you order, Papa? I know you want to meet your friends, but please, there's one important thing that I need to discuss with you.
Okay, I'm all ears.
You know, my friend Felix. You know him, Felix.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Felix has gotten a new girlfriend. Yeah. And he wants to meet the girl. Yeah. It's so funny. Yeah. But he want to have a dinner date with her. Yeah. So he was thinking whether he should take the lady to the restaurant or something. But I told him no. He should let the girl come to the house so that both of them can know themselves very well.
Painted, yeah.
Yeah. But there is one problem.
What is it, baby?
He asked me if you can come over and do the cooking for them.
And when is that?
Tomorrow.
No.
Why?
I know I have an interview tomorrow.
Oh.
I know I have an interview and you discussed this with him without letting me know.
Your interview is tomorrow.
Interview is tomorrow. Around 9 o'clock I'm supposed to be there. And I can't say I'm going to do cooking in the morning before I go. That's not going to help.
Wow. I forgot. Then do you know what? I think I will. Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, so if you don't mind, I have to go. Yes.
Yes, sir. I love you too.
Take care.
Alright. You too. Have a nice day.
Yay.
You're looking beautiful.
As always.
Don't let anyone do you see.
I'll let someone do his thing.
Because my satellite is on you. Bad girl. Alright. Hello, Felix. Yeah, are you in the house? Alright, I'll be coming there. No. I'll be coming there. Alright, see you there. Get ready to go. I don't think it will be possible. My girlfriend cannot come.
Why?
Because she will be going for an interview. There's a job that she applied for and she'll be going for an interview. So I don't think this week will be possible. So, why don't you invite her to do the cooking herself?
No, No. You see, she's my girlfriend coming. This is the first time visiting us, right? So we shouldn't let her cook. Let's let your girlfriend cook so we all eat together.
No, it's not my girlfriend that you're coming to get married to. The lady that you want to get married to, she will be the one to cook your food. So if she comes, then you take her to the kitchen. Then you test her to see if she can cook you a very delicious meal. You say marriage is a long way.
My friend, listen. Every beautiful lady is a good cook. For all I know, every beautiful lady is a good cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Not all ladies who are beautiful can cook. See, they are beautiful in nature. But when they come to practicals, my friend, before you know, cotton knitting or the shake concerning, no, then chinena share. Hey, my friend.
Comfortable, get you on the moya, and the hips why Ankasangas, on the mpon, the hips why they bleed, or the bitch, and where? And we don't make one with the banner.
Now the hip and then where the banner. Hip on fun where the banoons. But the banner I can want some no. On where them.
Oh, for Jay, Bessia, no one on your phone with the banner. When I want to make the banner and chill for 1 hour and children, I don't want to make the banner. What are you talking about? Stop it!
That's why your father go marry your mother from Gutari. She says she thinks that she can prepare for 3 days and things.
Oh, my catch.
You
are one. Don't you dare tell me that. I don't want you to be talking about my dad and my mom.
No problem. But on more serious notes, let her come.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Let her come.
Hey, have you heard of the new song that has arrived in Ghana?
Really?
Diffie. This girl, I love that song.
Really?
Because of that song, I'll go to church. Oh? I'm saying, am I a witch?
Oh, I beg.
I got my victory in you. Coming home. Nancy Rose. Oh God, you've touched my heart. I got you. This girl, I love you from you.
Vanilla.
Yeah? What? What is wrong?
Felix is inviting me to his house for dinner.
Oh, good news.
I don't know if I should go or not.
How? How? He's your boyfriend. So what's wrong with when he invites you?
I know he's my boyfriend. Us in his house. People go to the restaurant instead.
You guys can make it somewhere like the hotel, the poolside, the spa, and a lot of places. But since he's inviting you to the house, what's wrong with that? He's a boyfriend besides.
So I should go to his house.
Definitely. Darling, let me advise you. The only thing you need to protect yourself is using condom, you see? You know the terms already. You wait, you live long, okay? So you should remember, always, you use a condom. That's the most important thing. Whether he's taking you to the house, the hotel, or whatsoever he's taking you to, just remember, protection is the best. AIDS is real! You know? I'm the ambassador of AIDS. AIDS is real. For a man to trust you, just do what he says. After all, you love him. Right? Okay. Yeah. What shall I share yourself with some kind of you know? I've been so condom.
Hurry up. Okay. I think I have this dress and the wardrobe I want to wear for the dinner.
Show me.
Yeah.
Show me, what did you get?
This dress.
So you have a new dress in the wardrobe and I never knew about it.
Oh. Okay. Yes.
Play it on the bed, let me see.
Yes, that's anything with a smile.
Okay. So the color is 9. And what are the weight?
Yeah, of course.
It's not bad. Try it on. Take it, surprise. Take it. Try everything on. Let me see.
Okay.
I'm waiting right here. Okay, I'm still waiting. Is it going to take you like 10 hours to do that or all day? Are you wearing cover and sleeves there? I'm waiting.
Okay.
I'm getting tired already. Okay, let's do it out here. Oh my god. Oh my god. You this girl. It's kind of a little bit of play. Okay. Yeah, you are spoiling me here. You are spoiling me. In Christ in Jesus, we okay. You look at a small makeup and lip gloss.
Yes.
Yeah, good to go. Good to go.
Okay.
Your color kills me. Really, your color kills me. I feel like I'm a foreigner. That's why Felix is dying of me. It's okay. It's
okay. Jello World. It's a G's World type shit. Got a problem with this world. People want it uncovered, skin is unsevered. By mistake you shoot it in, hitting every target. Now you're pregnant, bystander, nigga trying to run from it. Got a problem with this world. People want it uncovered, skin is unsevered. By mistake you shoot it in, hitting every target. Now you're pregnant, bystander, nigga trying to run from it. Ever heard a rapper save your life? Pick a chances, roll the dice. Ain't no turning back, you better pay the price. Wanna live long, it's best to put me on. Ain't no doubt about it, she can get crazy like it's Donkey Kong. I got it all, wanna last long, got your back. Wanna stay safe, got your back. On night, you running track, share roll one, ain't no track stars. Take me up in risk of life if it ain't.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be careful when you say drink. You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
No even water.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Anyway, thank you for coming.
Okay, welcome.
So,
So do you live alone in this?
oh, actually no. I live with a friend, but he's not around.
Oh,
So,
okay, so you come for a dinner, so I'm around then. Where is the location and the place? Yeah.
oh, yeah. I just bought the groceries and I just want you to do some cooking for us to eat together. You feel me?
Oh, the noodles.
No, I mean groceries. No. Yeah, I want us to cook some bangkun together. Some kotobina.
Bangkun.
I know koto.
Bangkun.
Yeah, bangkun. So
He said Bangkun.
yeah, I mean bangkun. Hope you don't mind. If you don't mind, we can go to a restaurant and get you something.
No.
I don't have problem taking you to a restaurant.
Oh, you said Bangkun.
Yeah.
No problem. No problem.
Oh, okay. So have everything in the kitchen. Everything is set. So
So you said Bangkun again?
oh yeah, you heard me right?
Okay.
Oh, sure. So you get to the kitchen, then I'll help you. You know, once you do the cooking and I'm stirring the bangkun and I'm doing the blending.
Oh, you don't have any problem with the Bangkun. You don't have any problem. I can't do it. You don't have any problem with it. I'm good. I'm even a kid.
I trust you.
Yeah.
So It's in the kitchen. Let's get to the kitchen and Sandy. Yeah, okay, so okay. Oh, okay. So this is my kitchen. Yeah. Everything is set. This is Gary. This is rice, and there's a condo in the fridge. Yeah. And you see, I told you the hot crab. I actually want some, confission crab in the fridge. Why? So I want that one.
Okay, you don't have any problem. We just go out, finish everything, and come and sit. So you can just.
Yes, I can. Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
Okay, I'll be with you. If you need anything, just bring the call. I'll come to your premises.
Okay.
Okay.
You can go.
Okay.
What am I going to do with this thing? I don't even know how to do. If it were to be noodles, but by now, okay.
To copy a tone, press any two keys. The price of the current caller tune's ring is 50 pesos for 30 days. When I
Pick up now.
the number you called has not To copy a tune, press any two keys. The price of the current caller tune's ring is 50 pesos for 30 days.
Hello.
Hello, baby girl.
Baby girl. Oh, I'm in a serious condition now.
What's going on?
See, right now, I'm in the kitchen. Oh.
What are you doing in the kitchen?
Cooking now.
Jesus Christ. Cooking?
Yes, I'm cooking. He said he wants banku and okra stew with some koto. Right now, you know me now.
What are you going to cook?
Baby girl, that's the reason why I've called you right now. Jay, I'm going to send you the location, then you come to where I am right now, because if you don't come and help me here, I'm dead.
My girl, this is a bad idea. Okay? I have a plan. Go to YouTube and search on how to prepare banquet, okra soup, and koto.
Baby girl, I tried doing that, but I don't have enough data right now. So just come over and help me, or else, I really want this guy. I don't want this guy to go away.
Oh, girl, that's a shame. I've been telling him to learn how to cook. You should have told him to go to a restaurant or something.
He did that, but you see, I didn't want him to know that I don't know how to cook, so I just accepted to do the cooking.
Accept cooking. And what food could you have possibly cooked? Noodles?
Noodles now.
Not all men like noodles. Don't worry. God. Learn how to cook, you won't listen. I'm coming over. Text me your address.
Okay, I'm sending it to you right now. Just come right now.
Okay, shoeless face.
Oh.
Don't be cook. I beg.
Bye-bye.
Get off my phone. I'm coming.
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Sandra. Today I wanted to talk about a very important topic, HIV awareness. HIV is a serious and deadly disease, but it is preventable. One of the simplest ways to protect yourself is by using condom during sexual encounter. This greatly reduces the risk of transmission. It is also very important to be mindful of other risk factors, such as sharing sharp objects or engaging in unprotected sex. If you think you may have been exposed, don't hesitate to seek help and support. With proper treatment and care, people living with HIV can live long and healthy lives. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding is how to protect yourself and save others' lives. Let's patronize our health and well-being, and let's talk openly and honestly. Thank you.